create a quick demonstration of how you create a OAI harvesting job and then save that job and run it through the Windows Task Scheduler. So OAI harvesting jobs are created by using the tools, the batch harvester, and then the ability to create a batch harvest job that will give you access to all of the servers that have been defined. Once you've selected the servers you want to process, you'll save it to a jobs file. I've already done that. These are examples of the job files. They're essentially just collections of the information that I'm looking to capture. I've already run them once, so I'm going to delete these. This allows the application to keep track of the last process so that it can harvest incrementally instead of having to download everything all at once. So let's see here. So now I want to create a task. Scheduler tasks, you would open the task scheduler. I like to create a folder that has all of my particular tasks for the OAI harvesting in them. So I would create a new folder. So that creates a harvest task. So then I just need to create the task that's going to be scheduled and run on a regular basis. So I create my task, give it a name. Example harvest. I don't need to change anything here. I need to give it a trigger. So this is the frequency that the task is going to run. So I'm just going to tell it to run it daily. I'm going to go ahead and tell it to start tomorrow. And I'm going to tell it that I'd like to see this task run at, say, 7 o'clock a.m. So we'll say 7:30. So it'll recur every day, and it'll run at 7:30. And so we'll go ahead and say that. And then we need to add an action. So the action is actually what happens at that time. So we're going to be starting a program. And then we just need to browse to or select the program we're going to run. I actually have an environmental variable set up for MarcEdit, so I'm going to go ahead and enter in the path. So that's the path to the application. Then I need to add the arguments. The arguments are /OAI. That tells the program that we're running the OAI harvester in batch mode. Then I need to give it the file that I'm going to process. That's the job. So my job file, and I have to give it the full file name. So there's test OAI harvest. That's going to be the process here that I'm going to use. And then I need to tell it where to save it, so I put a space and then again to the full path. And this is going to be where at the end of each harvest the content will get saved to. Now I have a action. I save that action, and so now Windows will run this particular task the next time at starting at March 6th. When the task finishes, you'll see inside the harvest directory with the file name there's a log file. It keeps track of all of the processing and if there are any errors. And the program will run now for as long as that task is in place. If the files were to be deleted, it would just run and fail silently. So that's pretty much all there is to it.